Alright guys, I don't drive many of these, but man, I got a big, nice GMC Tahoe Yukon 2005 with y'all 152,000 miles. And that is all. We got to change engine oil. What else we got? Is that it? No warning lights. And the exterior on this thing is really, really nice. Okay, of course the digital readout. These instrument clusters on these were always sketchy. And this is definitely one of them. This thing is really clean. It's got a nice aftermarket stereo, but look at the interior. I mean, most of these are, now it's missing headrests, and the carpet is a little dirty, but I mean, overall, the interior of this thing is in really good condition. I mean, the buttons aren't rubbed off. See what I'm talking about? You know, the paint starts coming off the dash on these. This thing's in great shape. Wait till you see the body. At 152,000 miles, if you've ever owned one of these, which I've had a 02 Suburban, it had 268 on it when I sold it, and it literally drove like it was brand new. These things are extremely durable. This has got the 5.3 in it. Let's see, it looks like it's two-wheel drive, which that's cool with me. It's a pretty, is it navy blue? We'll walk around it here in just a second, but golly, this thing's really nice. The driver's seat does have a little bit of splitting going on, but the fact that it's the only seat that looks like that is nothing short of a miracle. Oh man, transmission feels good. Brakes feel good and strong. Yeah, this is a great rig for the year. What a great rig. I can't even see. Somebody small was driving this thing. Oh, yeah. Really good running rig. And 152,000 miles. God, that's just low. Just plain ass low miles. What do you guys see the exterior of this thing? It's been a long time since I've seen one of these old school Tahoes, Yukon, Suburbans in good condition like this one. Now, like I said, see, the seats split, but they all do that. But I mean, the rest of it is in really good shape. The bolstering, get that sewn up, and man, you got a pretty good, clean little rig. Yeah, it's navy blue, it's an SLT. But the carpets, you know, you can tell the kids have been in it with the carpets. But the seats, I mean, they're in good shape. I mean, they're not bad. That carpets will clean up. It's got a fairly new set of tires. But look at the body. This thing has got a shine on it. Not ass whipped. The headlights look good. I think these are glass. Nope, plastic. Got decent tires all the way around. They're cheap set, Black Lion. We do have something going on here. $10 this thing stayed in a garage, and something was always propped up against, falling or propping up against that kid's bicycle or something. But look at this thing. Let's see if it's got any paint on the roof. That's the key. Yeah, sure does. Not dirty, but it has paint. Unbelievable. There's all the floor mats. All this stuff will clean up. Oh, there's the headrest. They're folded backwards. Duh. Has an aftermarket DVD in there. Really don't give a shit about those anymore. Looks like it came through CarMax at one time. Let's look under the hood, see what we got. Oh yeah. This thing looks like it's had maybe some new air conditioning parts. Smells good under here. We got some newer hoses. This is a 5.3, right? Because there's a possibility it could be a 4.8. It sure is. It's a 4.8. And I like a 4.8 as good as any of them. A little bit smaller, probably gets a little better gas mileage, but they're equally, I mean, they're just as powerful. Sure they're not, but we've had company trucks with 4.8s in them that have gone 400,000 miles. You can sit in the parking lot and do burnouts. I mean, the 4.8 is really a pretty good motor. Dang, I like this thing for myself. Wish I, I like a lot of cars. No heated seats, so that's a bummer. But we got leather, so that's cool. And we got Bose, well, we had Bose stereo. We got Bose speakers, automatic climate control that's cold. Yeah, this is a winner. I like this one. Gonna bid on this for sure. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys with the next one. Peace.